Hello and welcome back to HardReset's Quick Godot. Today I'll show you how to change project resolution. Let's begin. Whenever we run the project by default, we can see its resolution in the top right corner right here. But I'm, for example, developing a pixel art game and it is pretty big resolution, so let's change that. First, let's go into Project, then Project Settings, and by default you will see the config, but we want to head into Window here and the Viewport, the width and height. Now you can change whatever you want. I'm going to go with 160 and then 19. As you can see, this is 10 times as small as our typical full HD resolution, and a little blue outline here has changed, and this is basically our viewport. So now whenever we run our project, we can see that our window is really small, and this is how it looks. And yeah, that's all for the tutorial. Leave a comment, like the video, and good luck on your game dev journey.